तांकां सांगो बरोबर भाव अनावर जावन प्राणाक कंप भरता तेन्ना उतरांच घुंगरा जातात आनी तांच्या चैतन्याच्या नादान काळजाची देग स्वरगंधीत जावन आत्मसमर्पित गुणांनी युक्त अशा भावार्थान आमी धन्वंतरीची प्रार्थना करून ताका होरायतात. Let's invoke Lord Dhanvantari for his blessings to descend down into the mind and heart and the spirit for the peace and health to prevail on this earth. May request students of Goemkarponn Ayurvedic College and Research Center Shiroda to connect our Atma with Paramatma with a divine tune of invocation mantras. And we are going to have with us Rachana Kamath, Pranali Damle, Vedika Nayak, Swati Nagaral and Manali Borkar.
नमामि धन्वन्तरिमादिदेवं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितपादपद्मं लोके जरारुग्भयमृत्युनाशं धातारमीशं विविधौषधीनां च व्यामवाता वनिवारिवह्निं पञ्चप्रपञ्चात्मक देहभाजं सन्तापसम्पाद जराज्वरान्तकं नमामि धन्वन्तरिमादिदेवं नवीननिलमुदकान्तिकान्तं शान्तं हरे द्वादशमाख्यमूर्तिं पूर्तिं शतानां सुमनोरथानां नमामि धन्वन्तरिमादिदेवं नमामि धन्वन्तरिमादिदेवं नमामि धन्वन्तरिमादिदेवम्.
Thank you very much, dear friends, for raising the tempo of this gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor of this Parshuram Bhumi, Dev Bhumi indeed, to host the 9th World Ayurvedic Congress and Arogya Expo to be held from 8 to 11 December 2022. In true sense, Goa is all set for 365 days holidays. At the same time, it is also getting organized with the alchemy of 365 days holy days also. May I request Dr. P.M. Warrior, Chairman National Organizing Committee of 9th World Ayurveda Congress, to open the carpet of warm words to welcome you all.
All the eminent personalities present here and our distinguished guests and friends, a very good morning to one and all. I am glad to see the august gathering of the elite audience here for the curtain raiser program of the 9th World Ayurveda Congress, which is going to be held in Goa from 8th December to 11th December. The World Ayurveda Congress is an upshot of the efforts of the World Ayurveda Foundation, which primarily aims at the popularization and globalization of Ayurveda. The first one of the series was held at Cochin in the year 2002. Since the beginning, the foundation was so keen to bring out topics of the global scope and relevance for discussion on this platform. All the domains, including academics, practice, industries, and research sectors of Ayurveda, have been given due emphasis in the programs held over the past so many years as a part of the World Ayurveda Congress. This time, it is no way different from the previous ones, with the focal theme Ayurveda for One Health. The event, as always, ensures the involvement and participation of experts and delegates across the globe. We are sure the event would set the stage for the exchange of ideas and resources among the stakeholders, paving the way to escalated growth and advancement of Ayurveda sector in a promising direction. The response we have been getting from practitioners, students, enthusiasts and manufacturers is overwhelming. For the same reason, we believe that this one is going to be the largest among the congresses held so far in terms of policy making, public outreach and promotional activities of the science. The Congress would feature manifold events, including presentations on innovative ideas, keynote lectures, presentations on scientific papers and posters, Guru Shishya meet, B2B meet, medicinal plant seminar, etc., to name a few among them. As the chairman of the National Organizing Committee of the World Ayurveda Congress, I am privileged to welcome you to the curtain raiser event of the program. Shri Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, is here as the chief guest. A hearty welcome to you, sir, for the program. Shri Sarbanand Sonowal, Honorable Minister of Ayush, Government of India, is here to felicitate the event as the chief guest. I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, to the event. Our today's guest of honor for the curtain raiser is Srimad Yassu Naik, Honorable Minister of State for Tourism and Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the program, sir. I would like to welcome Shri Vishwajit P. Rane, Honorable Minister for Health, Government of Goa, who addresses the gathering to this program. Shri Govind Gode, Honorable Minister for Art and Culture, Government of Goa, is also here to address the gathering. Welcome you to this program, sir. Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha, Secretary, Ministry of Ayush, is with us, here to address the audience. A warm welcome to you, sir, Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha. Dr. Satish Shenai, Vice President, Vijnana Bharati, would address the gathering. I think he's not, maybe coming late. Anyhow, we welcome him to this meeting. Dr. Tanuja Nasiri, Director, All India Institute of Ayurveda, Ministry of Ayush, will make an announcement on the Ayurveda Day. Madam, welcome to this program. Vaidya Pavan Kumar Gudatwar, Trustee, World Ayurveda Foundation, would do the presentation about the 9th World Ayurveda Congress. Welcome, Vaidya Pavan Kumar. I welcome Professor Suhas Godse, Chair, State Organizing Committee, 9th World Ayurveda Congress, who would propose the vote of thanks. I extend a warm welcome to all the media persons who have come over here accepting our invitation. I am sure the curtain raiser, with all your valuable presence, sets a good opening for the 9th World Ayurveda Congress to begin well with. On behalf of the organizing committee, once again, I welcome all of you to this program. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your warm words of inspiration. लोग तो उन्हें खुशबुओं की किताब कहते हैं, हम सिर्फ उन्हें लाजवाब कहते हैं। इन्हें लाजवाब फूलों की प्यार की परिभाषा और अभिलाषा उपस्थित अतिथि समुदाय तक सादर करते हम बड़ी प्रसन्नता महसूस कर रहे हैं। मैं रिक्वेस्ट अष्टवद्यं डॉक्टर E.T. Neelakantan Mus to present bouquet of flowers to our chief guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant ji. Sri Ranjit Puranik, Trustee World Ayurveda Foundation, to present bouquet of flowers to Sri Sarbananda Sonowal, Honorable Minister of Ayush, Government of India. Dr. Rohit Sane, Managing Director and CEO of Madhavbag, to present a bouquet of flowers to Sri Sripad Bhaunaik, Honorable Minister of State for Tourism and Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. May I request Dr. Jaiprakash Narayan, Managing Trustee World Ayurveda Foundation, to present bouquet of flowers to our Honorable Health Minister of Goa, Sri Vishwajit Raneji. May I request Sri Chandrasekharan Nair, Trustee World Ayurveda Foundation, to present bouquet of flowers to Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha, Secretary Minister of Ayush, Government of India. May I request Sri Shashank Sandhu of Sandhu Pharmaceuticals to present bouquet of flowers to Dr. Tanuja Nesri, Director, All India Institute of Ayurveda. May I request Sri Tejinder Lavande, Secretary, State Organizing Committee, to present bouquet of flowers to Dr. P.M. Warrior, Chairman, National Organizing Committee. May I request Sri Abhay Bhamaikar, Deputy Secretary, State Organizing Committee, to present bouquet of flowers to Dr. Satish Shenoy, Vice President, Vidyan Bharati. May I request Dr. Satish Udeg of Zandu Imami to present bouquet of flowers to Professor Suhas Godse, Chairman, Organizing Committee. We are privileged to have with us, and we acknowledge the presence of Honorable Minister for Social Welfare, Sri Subhash Phaldesai. We also acknowledge the presence of Sri Praveen Alekar, MLA Pedne. We have Madam who has come from far off, that is Lady Governor of Himachal Pradesh, Mrs. Anaghar Lekar. We have Vice Chancellor of Goa University, Professor Harilal Menanji. It's come? Okay, I think he's held up for some meeting. We have Director of Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda, Professor Anup Thakkar. We acknowledge presence of Director General of CCRAS, Professor Rabi Narayan Acharya. This august gathering acknowledges the presence of our stakeholders, without whose assistance shouldering this Herculean task would be a mission impossible. We have with us Dr. Rohit Sane of Madhavbag. Sri Ranjit Puranik of Sri Dhut Papeshwar. Mrs. Shailaja Madhavan Kutti Warrior, AVS Kottakkal. We have with us Ashtavedyan Dr. E.T. Neelakantan Moose of Vaidyaratnam. We have Dr. Yadu Moose of Vaidyaratnam. We have with us Mrs. Kavita Kargal, Joint Secretary. We have with us Sri Sashank Sandhu of Sandhu Pharmaceuticals. We are privileged to have with us Sri Umesh Sandhu from Sandhu Pharmaceuticals. We have with us Sri Yogesh Valalkar from Madhavbag. We have Sri Darshanji from Madhavbag. We have Dr. Satish Udeg from Zandu Imami. We have our special invitee, Sri Ashok Chauguliji. Is there? Okay. Our team of supporters include Sri Upendra Joshi, OSD to Honorable Minister of Goa, Chief Minister of Goa. Is he around? Yes. We have also with us Sri Gaurish Kalangutkar. You know? We have Sri Prasad Lolekar, Nodal Officer of Government of Goa for World Congress and Present Director of Higher Education, a very dynamic personality. We have Shankar Dev, Advisor Media, Minister of Ayush, Government of India. No? We have, okay. And rest all, see, it also shows that how many people and all of you are involved in this. So big round of applause for each and everyone, including yourself. Thank you very much. So nice of you. Thank you, friends, for spreading the joy of lovely fragrance with pleasant smile. Nahi jnanena sadrusham pavitram iha vidyate. Knowledge is most holy ritual for the upliftment of mankind. With these words, I request Dr. Satish Shenoy, Vice President of Vijnan Bharati, to open up the kaleidoscopic view before this august gathering.
The dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Central Ministers and other ministers, and other dignitaries on the dais, and the dignitaries of the dais, and other delegates, a warm welcome and a good morning to all of you. Namaskar. Vijnan Bharati, which was set up with the sole aim of promoting science and technology, and which considers that the science and technology can take a big leap in the country only in conjunction with the traditional knowledge and traditional science and technology which was flourishing in our country, Bharat. So with that motto, one of the branch of science, that is the health science, Ayurveda, is one of the most important part of human life, and it had flourished in our country, though it lost attention for some time. So Vijnan Bharati set up the World Ayurveda Foundation, and World Ayurveda Foundation is organizing these kind of congresses. This is the 9th edition. So Vijnan Bharati heartily supports the activities of World Ayurveda Foundation, and Vijnan Bharati is very happy to promote the activities of World Ayurveda Foundation and the World Ayurveda Congress. Rightly, the theme of this year's Congress is Ayurveda for One Health. One Health is encompassing not only the health of human beings, it also includes the animals, plants, and the environment. As we see that the coronavirus emerged from the animals. It says that it emerged from the bats or emerged from the pangolin or whatever it is. So the health of animals around us, even the microscopic animals, is very important for our health. And also you must have read that in Delhi many people get sick because of the environmental conditions or because of the environmental pollution. So that reminds us the health of the environment is very important for overall well-being of and the health of the human. And this idea is not new. It is thriving, and it is integral to the Ayurvedic concept that one health, or this. That's why we say that Sarvo Santu Niramaya Sarvo Santu Sugino Bhavantu. So everybody, including our environment, has to be healthy for a healthy and progressive life in the country. So we appreciate, and it is the right theme for this Congress to select Ayurveda for One Health, which is now picking the momentum in the, because the whole world is talking about sustainable development, and without considering the entire system of the globe as one unit and work towards that, we will not be able to achieve those goals. So we Gyan Bharati is very much involved, and also would like to congratulate the organizers for organizing this 9th World Congress, Ayurveda Congress and the Expo in Goa, and we wish all success for this function. With these words, let me conclude. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Vande Matra.
Hello. Thank you, Satish sir. In today's speedy technology world, yesterday's innovations is today's outdated history. With this momentum of life, concepts are changing, thus proving change is constant. However, we as Indians take pride in proving that as the time advances, the principles and fundamentals of Ayurveda are growing deep-rooted in the life for healthy mankind without asking for any patents or intellectual property rights, with a feeling Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It's far ahead of global village concept. May I humbly request Vaidya Pawan Kumar Godatwar, Trustee of Ayurveda Foundation, to open up horizon of upcoming 9th World Ayurveda Congress and Arogya Expo through his presentations. Okay, he is holding a very high position at WHO, representing all of us. So big round of applause to welcome Pawan Kumar sir.
Namaste. Vaidya Pramod Savanji, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Sarvanand Sonowalji, our very dear Honorable Minister of Ayush, Government of India, Shri Shripad Yasho Naik ji, Honorable Minister of State for Tourism and Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India, Shri Vishwajit Rane ji, Honorable Minister of Health, Government of Goa, Govind Gaude ji, Honorable Minister of Art and Culture. He is not here, but we still pay our respects to him. He is supporting us. Padma Shri Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha ji, Secretary, Ministry of Ayush. Vaidya Tanuja Nesri ji, Director, All India Institute of Ayurveda, Ministry of Ayush, New Delhi. Dr. Satish Shenoy, Vice President, Vibha. Dr. P.M. Warrior, our patron, Chairman, National Organizing Committee. Professor Suhas Godse ji, Chair, State Organizing Committee of 9th WAC. Very luminaries, giants of industry present before me. Dear friends and friends of Ayurveda, it is indeed an honor to stand before you and just give you a quick, brief overview of the 9th WAC, World Ayurveda Congress. Sir, the ninth WAC has got, at the very least, 20 different activities going on at the same time, some concurrently, some as a plenary sessions. Right now at present, we have 3,079 abstracts, sir, precisely, out, and 5,722 user registrations, which is a phenomenal figure. Over 16 themes, we have received those abstracts. The themes range from Cosmetology to technology for Ayurveda. It encompasses the complete spectrum of Ayurveda for One Health. We have a online abstract review module. Abstracts are submitted online, double blind. The reviews are going on, and within few days we will be having those oral and all displayed on the website, oral, poster and other presentations. Sir, the plenary sessions for 9th WAC, as a figurative thing, we have kept 9 plenary sessions, sir. 9th WAC, 9 sessions. A very quick, brief idea of those 9 sessions, just a demo of the themes and the various luminaries who will be presenting their views. What we have done is 3 to 4 keynote speakers with a panel discussions over the plenary sessions. There were satellite seminars, sir, all over India from July to October 2022, and we had more than 20 such seminars, which we call satellite seminars, all over India from Assam to Kerala. Sir, the tentative program of, there is an international delegates assembly. We have got representatives from at least 40 countries, and about 400 delegates will be participating in the activities, international delegates. Then, sir, we have got ITRA, that is Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda, Jamnagar, which is a WHO collaborative center, and in collaboration with that World Health Organization Southeast Asia Regional Office, there will be a conclave of the 11 countries which the CRO represents. It's mandated. So it is a wonderful activity going on, will happen here. Then interestingly, for young people, Ayurveda Short Film Festival, for the first time it will be happening here. We have already received 15 films, and it is going on. The module is going on. So online deposit. So I invite the youngsters, also young at heart, who are interested in films and reels, to submit their talent and creativity on this platform of short films. Then, sir, Ayurveda and Media Roundtable is also planned, which is a wonderful thing to present our views to the media also. Then NMPB, that is National Medicinal Plants Board, Medicinal Plant Seminar is there, with a huge program also inbuilt, which is, these are all the associate events going on parallelly. Then there is a conclave on ethnopharmacology and traditional healers. We have a very beautiful RAV, Rashtriya Ayurveda Vidyapeeth's Guru Shishya meet with over 150 gurus with their Shishyas interacting over 3-4 days. Beautiful topics, entire, like what we want. Some people say that गुरु के चरणों में बैठ के आयुर्वेद सीखा जाना चाहिए, तो वो गुरु भी आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर. Legendary gurus will be coming here. Then there is, sir, Ayush Excel Business Meet, BSM, Buyer Seller Meet is there. We will be having Ayurveda and Jyotish Vigyan, so integration with Indian sciences also. And then, sir, very beautiful, very big International Arogya Expo, more than 350 stalls, and such big supporters. So I again take this opportunity to thank you, thank Rohit Sane ji, Ranjit Puranik ji, Sandu Sahab, so many people who are supporting this. So very beautiful Arogya Expo will be happening here, sir. This is the layout of the expo. More than 350 stalls, all sold out completely. It was totally online booking module was there. I think it will be a wonderful experience for the people of Goa, as Goa will be a wonderful experience for people of all over India. So list of exhibitors are also there. The various layouts are there. Lack of time asks me to curtail this, so I am not going into details. Everything has got an HTML click. If you have observed, if we click that, it will open a vista of whatever activities we are doing. So a quick overview of what will be happening in Goa. These are various venues we will be having, and with the details of the events which will happen on that particular venue. There are some things which are happening in Kala Academy and different venues, different activities, and beautiful weather, beautiful venue of Goa beckons all of us to have some good activity, good scientific activity in wonderful environs of Goa. This is a bird's eye view, sir, of what kind of activities we will be having. So many different activities with the patronage and leadership. We expect to do so many great things here. So Goa will ensure on open up a new world, a new roadmap for the new age Ayurveda. Thank you very much, sir.
Hello. Hello. Thank you very much, Pawan Kumar sir, for wonderful. So we are just a click away from all of you, and दिल थाम के बैठेगा, एक बड़ी चीज होने वाली है. So be prepared, get organized, and join us for the conference which is yet to come, along with your friends and your brothers and sisters, to spread the message of Ayurveda, love, affection, and brotherhood. Knowledge is knowing the facts, wisdom is knowing what to do with the facts. As we go deeper and deeper of understanding the importance of Ayurveda in life, each moment we are rediscovering newer understanding of our ancient knowledge with the modern scientific research and development activities. For health is wealth. Arogyam dhana sampada. With these words, may request Director of All India Institute of Ayurveda, Ministry of Ayush, New Delhi, Vaidya Tanuja Neshri, Madam, to open up the rainbow colors of her vision.
Namaskar. Dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Vaidya Pramod Sabanji, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Sri Sarvananda Sonowalji, Honorable Minister of Ayush, Government of India, Sri Sripad Yasho Naikji, Honorable Minister of State of Tourism and Port Shipping, Waterways, Sri Vishwajit Raneji, Honorable Minister of Health, Sri Govind Gudeji, Vaidya Rajesh Kotejaji, all the other dignitaries on the dais, Dr. P.M. Warriorji, Chairman, National Organizing Committee of the 9th WAC, Professor Suhas Godseji, Chairman, State Organizing Committee, Sri Satish Chenaiji, Vice President, all the dignitaries of the dais, Joint Secretary Kavita Garchi, all the colleagues and all the active and passive members of World Ayurveda Congress who are present here, who are watching online, and Goa state's representative, government representative, ministry representative, आणि सर्व गोवेकर सर्वांना वर्ल्ड आयुर्वेदा दिवसाच्या निमित्ताने मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष तर्फे सर्वांचा नमस्कार. And I take this opportunity and thank World Ayurveda Foundation for giving this wonderful opportunity, world's largest forum, to present the theme of the World Ayurveda Day, which is to be celebrated as a whole government approach. And as the Master of Ceremony was mentioning about, Goa is a 365 holy days, and we say that 365 days of celebration of life with Ayurveda. This year the theme is Har Din Har Ghar Ayurveda. Ayurveda every day, Ayurveda everywhere. I take this opportunity on behalf of Ministry of Ayush, and we are really thankful for giving All India Institute of Ayurveda as a nodal agency to execute this program with the whole government approach. This year, this theme is Har Din Har Ghar Ayurveda, but how do we celebrate it? Where every घर जो हमारी 125 करोड़ देशवासी है और देश के हर दुनिया के हर एक व्यक्ति के लिए, जैसे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर कहते हैं कि लाइक योग हैज़ रीच टू 200 countries. Like yoga, Ayurveda also is a part of our dharohar and part. It is very important for prevention and promotion of the health. So it is the greatest gift to the humanity. Ayurveda is a gift to the humanity and soft power from India for the prevention and promotion of health. So like yoga, Ayurveda also reach for the betterment of the health, for the prevention and promotion to each and every household, not from India, but outside India. And that's why the center theme is scientificity of Ayurveda. Whatever we eat, whatever we live, whatever we think, that is nothing but Ayurveda. But if we understand the science behind it, if it is tulsi ka patta, but if we say that it is kafahar, it is kadha, how it is useful, why curd is not to be taken at night, why the water is to be taken as a warm. If we try to understand and convince the people, the science behind it, people will follow the healthy habits. That's the center theme, the scientificity of Ayurveda, Har Din Har Ghar Ayurveda. How do we do it? With 3J, Jan Bhagidari, Jan Sandesh and Jan Andolan. Let us have the participation, create awareness like a mission mode, and also create more and more contribution, participation of each and every household, each and every people of India. And with the 3 themes we have celebrated, last 1 month, every week is being celebrated as a Ayurveda for holistic well-being, Ayurveda for the youthful, millennials, geriatric, and now the mental health week is being celebrated. And the last, till the Ayurveda Day celebration, 23rd, it would be contribution, your sharing your experiences. And it is not only Ministry of Ayush, but 22 ministry with the honorable leadership of our minister, Sri Sonowal ji, Munjapara ji, and Padma Shri Vaidya Koteja ji, and the vision of Home Minister Amit Shah ji and our Prime Minister. 22 ministries have joined together to celebrate Ayurveda as a Har Din Har Ghar Ayurveda. And that's the contribution. It is not only one person we are doing. It is each and every person of India will take this pride, to have the confidence, and they will celebrate the life with Ayurveda in this festive season. So Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Youth Affairs, Agriculture, Home Affairs, Science, Technology, Tribal Affairs, Commerce, and all the ministries along with all the state departments. The Chief Minister of Goa, he himself is a Vaidya, and that's, we are really proud for that. So entire Goa state and all the states, they are celebrating Ayurveda as a Har Din Har Ghar Ayurveda. And it is not only on 23rd October, not only one day, but it is every day we are celebrating, because every day we are eating, every day we are living. So if we understand the science behind it, we are celebrating our life with Ayurveda. That's the message, that's the confidence we have to create. And how do we, with Jan Sandesh, that is with social media, electronic media, print media, through SMS, through various mode, publicity, radio jingles, TV, sports, anyone can contribute, anyone can come forward, and they have to celebrate, they have to take part. That's the mission. This is the people-centric celebration, not top-down. It is a bottom-up, and that's the main motto Honorable PM has, and that Ministry of Ayush is promoting, and that's how Jan Bhagidari, contribution, people's participation is very, very important. I appeal each and everyone who is joining online, offline, just to take the leadership and communicate and spread this message to celebrate with Jan Bhagidari and Jan Andolan. And these 6 themes have been contributed, these 6 themes, that millennials, Ayurveda Ahar, because whatever we eat, if you prepare the good recipes during this Diwali, click the selfie, and if you just post to the Ayurveda Day.in, website, I think that's contribution will be awarded, acknowledged, and these are the various streams because of the time. I'm not, but this is available on the website. This was started on 12th September by soft launching by our Honorable Minister and the secretaries, and the message has been sent through the ministry, through the minister, to each and every state government and each and every officials of the government. And we have also initiated online sensitization and awareness program for Ayush stakeholders conducted by NCISM and AIA. And I'm really happy to share, sir, that 75 participants from all the state chief ministers from various states, 375 principals of the colleges, 8,500 practitioners, thousands of medical officers, and NGOs, and all the NGOs, including World Ayurveda Foundation, 4,000 medical officers, and lakhs of the students, they have already joined from Ayush. And UGC has sent the letter to each and every colleges, not arts, science, commerce, engineering, to celebrate each day with Ayurveda every day. It can be quiz competition, it can be Nukkad Natak, it can be all dance, drama. And I'm really happy to share that with the honorable vision of our minister, we have choreographed one dance on Ayurveda as a harmony for holistic well-being with the culture ministry in presence of honorable. That also will be choreographed. So this is how we have to celebrate our life with Ayurveda. And we have 6 video competitions on MyGov platform, on quiz competition, then filmmaking, comic story, poster competition, jingle, and it is still live till 23rd. So I appeal each and everyone, all these students, because I know that many youngsters, they are participating from Goa College and other. So please participate and please communicate everyone to participate in this. And your contribution will be awarded. It would be acknowledged. It would be, you will get the certificate. Like Har Ghar Tiranga, we have to celebrate Har Din, Har Ghar Ayurveda. And what we have to do, just appeal that we have 9 posters, Navaratna, you can download from the website and you can post it around in your house, around your house, or medical dispensaries, in college, in your offices. Those Navaratna posters have been distributed, circulated on the website. We will, if you request the nodal officer, we will also send, and that you can enlarge and give the more publicity. We have everyday post which is on the social media. These are Navaratna posters. Please spread the message of how we celebrate our life with Ayurveda, and each and everyone can participate in this. And what we can do, at least what we can celebrate, that we can have the selfie. Like this selfie point, you create the selfie point. We have already created, it is on the website. And you click your photo with this selfie point and share with us. We will upload it on our website, because in this democratic country, लोकशाही में नंबर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो आयुर्वेद अगर हमने सेलिब्रेट किए तो 125 करोड़ देशवासी में कुछ करोड़ लोगों की तो संख्या हमारे वेबसाइट पे आनी चाहिए. दिस इज माय अपील ऑन दिस वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट फोरम. एंड व्हाट वी कैन डू, we can have best performing state, college, institution, organization, faculty, person, and practitioners. And I'm sure, let us join for Har Din, Har Ghar Ayurveda. Ayurveda everywhere, Ayurveda by everyone. Thank you, one and all.
Hello. Madam, so much. Madam has presented. Hello. Virat Swarup of Ayurveda. And as she mentioned, Goa is going to celebrate this year Diwali and Dasara twice, because Sant Sajjan Eti Ghara Tochi Diwali Dasara. So we're all waiting for December. Ladies and gentlemen, Goa is marching ahead in the field of health sector and setting standards for others to follow under the able leadership of visionaries and Health Minister and his team of members, with commitment and its fulfillment to improve the health not only of every citizen of this tiny state of Goa, but also suffering human beings from the neighboring states like Maharashtra and Karnataka. May I request our dynamic Honorable Health Minister of Goa, Sri Vishwajit Rane to open up his mission vision statement.
Shri Sonowal ji, Honorable Minister, Government of India, Ayush, our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, Shri Shripad Naik ji, Honorable Union Minister, Secretary Ayush, and other prominent dignitaries on the dais, and my colleague, Shri Subhash Desai ji and Shri Praveen Adekar ji. It's a great moment for all of us, like it was explained just now, and about the curtain raiser in the 9th World Ayurvedic Conference and Arogya Expo to be held between the 8th and the 11th of December 2022, for which Honorable Minister for Ayush, Government of India, Shri Sonowal ji has specially come. And I can only, on behalf of our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, I can only assure Honorable Union Minister Sonowal ji that Goa, as a partner, I'm sure we will never let you down. And we, as you have been mentioning, I was just listening to what Sir was just mentioning, is the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister to have an integrated system of healthcare, and also to see that every hospital has these integrated systems available in terms of having yoga, having Ayurveda, and having allopathy all together. And also made a mention about that we should go and have a look at this center in Delhi, in the AIMS. I think they have put up an integrated center. So we will do that, and we will also move in this direction of the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of taking healthcare and Ayurveda, through allopathy and Ayurveda, to two verticals together so that we are able to propagate it. And also, with the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Ayurveda has attained a global status. And what Sir was mentioning is that this is the vision that we need to take forward. Our Chief Minister, I'm proud to say, is also comes from the field of Ayurveda and also has vast knowledge, and gives us also pride that under his leadership today, we are here present for the curtain raiser. And I'm sure the passion with which he will guide us to see that this event, which is going to be held in Goa between the 8th and the 11th December, and in the true sense to take these verticals together under his guidance, and with your guidance, sir, from time to time, I'm sure we in the state of Goa, we are a small state, but I think in several fields we have made a lot of progress, and especially in the areas of healthcare, with the support of the Honorable Chief Minister. And what your vision is, which you just mentioned, of taking these verticals and creating this integrated system, I can assure you, sir, that next time you come, I mean in the next couple of months and in this whole tenure ahead of us, we will work in that direction to see that people, not only we create that type of awareness that is required, but also in the true sense to see that we are able to implement this as an integrated system. Thank you so much, sir.
Hello. Thank you very much, sir. As you rightly said, इरादे अगर नेक हो तो रास्ते भी आसान बन जाते हैं. So with this as guiding principles, our very own former Union Minister of Ayush has done a commendable job in decoding Ayush sector and imparting directions to complement rather than compete with traditional and modern science of healing. It's not dependent or independent, but we are all interdependent, niching our own fundamentals. May I request Honorable Minister of State for Tourism, Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India, Sri Shripad Naik, to guide this ceremony.
Namaskar. Shri Sarvanand Sonowal ji, Honorable Minister of Ayush, Government of India, Mani Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Vishwajit Rane ji, Honorable Health Minister of Goa, Vaidya Rajesh Koteja ji, Secretary, Ministry of Ayush, Dr. P.M. Warrior ji, a pioneer in the field of Ayurveda and Chairman of National Organizing Committee of 9th World Ayurveda Congress and Arogya Expo. Dr. Tanuja Nisri, Director, All India Institute of Ayurveda, Professor Suhas Godse, Chairman, Organizing Committee, Sri Subhash Faldesai ji, Minister of Social Welfare, Goa, Sri Praveen Arlekar ji, MLA Pedne, Member of Ayurveda Industries, Vaidyas, dear brothers and sisters. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer for inviting me to this curtain-raiser function of World Ayurveda Congress. I wholeheartedly thank my colleague in Union Cabinet, Ayush Minister Sri Sonowal ji, who is currently holding the charge of Ayush Ministry, for bringing the World Ayurveda Congress and Arogya Expo in Goa. Having been a part of and parcel of the World Ayurveda Congress earlier, I witnessed two Ayurveda congresses, that is in Gujarat and Bengal, that is in Calcutta. I can say it was with confidence that Goa is going to witness something unique 2 months from now, which will open the eye and ears of the Goan to benefit the practicing Ayurveda. Nobody has come to Goa and gone back without carrying anything back. I can assure all Ayurveda stakeholders from both within the country and overseas that we will carry back home a great memories for a lifetime for this place. Such is the beauty of this place and the experience of many. Goa with its natural beauty and Goans with their great hospitality will make it memorable for all those who visit this place. Coming to the World Ayurveda Congress per se, there is no other bigger platform than this for those connected to this field. Ever since the first Congress, that is Ayurveda Congress in Kochi in 2002, the platform has only grown bigger with each edition. By holding this Congress in different cities, each time the Congress has been able to carry along with one and all from the nooks and corners of this country and from overseas as well. Ayurveda for One Health is the theme of this time. The academic session will be filled with enriching the discussion and debates. The International Delegates Assembly is expected to see a considerable increase in participation from overseas. With so many business entities taking part in this Congress, the B2B meets are expected to fruitful this time too. For the first time, WHO is a part of this World Ayurveda Congress, and their events is sure to generate the sufficient interest among the participants. With over 400 stalls, the Arogya Expo will showcase the Ayurveda products and services to the general public, which is bound to increase the awareness of the traditional Indian medical science among them. All in all, the Congress will generate a festive atmosphere, and the people will be celebrating the Ayurveda in all its glory. I humbly request my media friends also to give the much publicity to the World Ayurveda Congress and the Arogya Expos, which will held in this Goa. With these words, I thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. Jai.
Hello. Thank you very much, sir, for your inspirations and warm words. Organizing this conference is something like, or not less than, Bhagirath getting Ganga from the heaven. So all your efforts, your participation is required, and you are most welcome to join us at every juncture. Future belongs to those who believe in beauty of their dreams. At this juncture, this Shubha Yoga that we have with us, our guiding lighthouse, committed to take Ayurveda to the globe with its principles and practices also. May request Honorable Minister of Ayush, Government of India, Sri Sarbananda Sonowalji to address this august gathering.
Namaskar. Today, I really feel very proud to amidst of you because this occasion is a kind of special occasion which is directly connected with nature, planet Earth, and which is being created by none other than God Almighty. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि Ayurveda for One Health. So this is really very touching and very, very kind of meaningful for our journey of life. ये सिर्फ मनुष्य का स्वास्थ्य को ही ख्याल रखने का काम नहीं है, प्रकृतियों का भी ख्याल रखना होगा. We'll have to take care of Mother Earth, our nature. And if we take care of nature, nature will take care of us. Today we have the kind presence of the very dynamic Chief Minister of Goa, who is very young and visionary, very hardworking, Dr. Pramod Sawanji. Sawanji, S-A-W-A-N, Sawanji. And my colleague in the Council of Ministry, Government of India, one of the very respected minister who hails from Goa, Sripat Yusu Nayak ji, ये सही है ना? And respected State Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Goa, Biswajit P. Rani ji, और हमारी बड़ी काबिल सचिव आयुष मंत्रालय की पद्मश्री वैद्य राजेश कोटेचा जी, और ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ आयुर्वेदा की डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर श्रीमती तनुजा नासरी जी, नेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी फॉर 9th वर्ल्ड आयुर्वेदा कांग्रेस एंड Ayush Expo, that is Dr. P.M. Barrierji, the chairman, and the chairman organizing local committee, Professor Subhas Gochiji, and Bigyan Bharati ki Vice Chairman Dr. Satish Senoyji, respected dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, and my media friends. We are all assembling here for the curtain raiser program of 9th World Ayurveda Congress and Arogya Expo. which is scheduled to be held at Goa from 8 December till 11th of December. So I believe whatever theme has been explained very beautifully by the chairman of the organizing committee, that now Ayurveda is for one health. We have to take care of the health of the human being, health of the animal, health of the plant, health of the nature, health of the climate, health of the environment, ecology, biodiversity, etc., etc. So this particular message needs to be percolated to the ground. Let the people of the planet Earth realize the importance of nature. Why ecology and environment is important for the comfortable existence of living organism on the planet Earth. I have always been saying, Honorable Prime Minister has always been saying, economy will have to grow together with ecology and environment. Not that economy will grow at the cost of ecology and environment. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. प्रकृति रहेगा तो प्राणी भी रहेगा. ये प्रकृति प्राणियों के लिए सजाया गया है. इन बातों का अगर हम ख्याल रखें, गंभीर महसूस करें, तो मुझे लगता है मानव समाज का जो प्रकृतियों के लिए जो सबसे बड़ी कर्तव्य बनती है, फर्ज बनती है, इसको अगर हर व्यक्ति पालन करे जीवन में, तो मुझे लगता है कि प्रकृतियों ने इतना खूबसूरत से सजा के रखा है हमारे लिए. प्रकृतियों का जो विज्ञान है, इस विज्ञान की भाषाओं को हम समझे. एज ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन, ये क्या है? ये प्राचीन चिकित्सा पद्धति है, यही विज्ञान है. मैं किसी को बोला था, देखिए हम लोगों ने अभी अलग अलग स्टेशन में ऑक्सीजन प्लांट खड़ा किया है. ऑक्सीजन प्लांट का एक आकार होता है, सिलेंडर होते हैं, बड़े बड़े चिमनी होते हैं, बड़े बड़े अपरेटस होते हैं. लेकिन भगवान ने शुरुआत से जो ऑक्सीजन प्लांट हमारे लिए बना के रखी है, उसको पहले हमने कभी चर्चा की नहीं की. क्योंकि इसलिए प्रकृतियों में बसा हुआ शक्ति, संभावना और संपदा को हम समझे, हम सही उपलब्धि करें. तो इसलिए अगर हम सब इस विषय पर ख्याल रखेंगे, तो क्लाइमेट चेंज के सिलसिले में ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की वजह से हमारे लिए जो चुनौती आई है, हर प्राणियों के लिए, इस चुनौती का भी सही समाधान के रास्ता हम निकल सकते हैं. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने COP26 में दुनिया के मानव समाज को जो आग्रह किया है, उसी हिसाब से आप ग्लोबल वार्मिंग को बिलो 1.5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के अंदर अगर हम सीमित रख पाए, तो इस धरती पे बसे हुए हर प्राणी सुरक्षित हो रहेंगे. मुझे लगता है इन विषय पर आज आप लोगों ने जो सेंसिटाइजेशन के सिलसिले में, जैसे आप लोगों ने ये ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म खड़ा की है, तो मुझे लगता है कि अगले दिनों में हमारे मानव समाज के लिए ये बहुत बड़ी उपयोगी होंगे. और हमारी नई पीढ़ी जो है, विद्यार्थी है, स्कूल में है, कॉलेज में है, सबको सेंसिटाइज करना ही होगा. आपको क्या लगता है, मैं सही बोल रहा हूं ना? हाँ? So whatever responsibility we have to the Mother Earth, to the nature, we'll have to strictly follow it. We must be guided by the law of nature. आज मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि ये योगा, राजेश जी, डार्कनेस थेरापी, योगा नेचुरोपैथी जो है, इससे कई लोगों को कई जटिल, मतलब यानी कि क्रिटिकल डिजीज से भी उनको राहत मिला है. भारत में ऐसा हो रहा है. कुछ दिन पहले हमारे आयुर्वेदा के जरिए केनिया की फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर की बेटी को फिर से रोशनी देने का काम किया है, वापस लाने का काम किया है, आंखों का रोशनी वापस लाने का काम किया है. इतना बड़ा शक्ति हमारा ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन में बसा हुआ है, इतना बड़ा शक्ति. उनके पिताजी फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर हुआ करते थे, उन्होंने देश की अलग अलग अमेरिका, यूरोप, टॉलेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन में ले गए अपने बेटे को, फिर से वो अपनी रोशनी को, आंखों का रोशनी को वापस लाने के लिए। लेकिन दुनिया में किसी भी जगह में यह संभव नहीं हो पाया, लेकिन संभव अगर कहीं हुआ है वो हिंदुस्तान में हुआ है। मुझे लगता है कि इसी शक्ति को देखते हुए WHO ने अब उनके पहला एक्सटेंशन कार्यालय हिंदुस्तान की गुजरात के जामनगर में स्थापना की है। तो इसलिए ये हमारे देश के लिए, हमारे जो ट्रेडिशनल प्रैक्टिशनर्स, हीलर्स, जो भी हमारे रिसर्चर्स, फैकल्टीज, डॉक्टर्स, वैद्य, हमारे सारे ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम में जुड़े हुए हर व्यक्तियों के लिए ये बड़े गौरव की बात है, देशवासियों के लिए बड़े गौरव की बात है। और ये संभव हुआ है हमारे देश के आदर्शवादी नेता प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की वजह से, उनके कुशल नेतृत्व ने और उनकी लगातार निरंतर कोशिश की वजह से आज आयुष सेक्टर ने दुनिया में अपना पहचान बनाने में सफलता प्राप्त की है। और अब मैं तो राजेश जी को हमेशा बोलता हूं, आप हमें नेतृत्व देने होंगे। दुनिया में अलग अलग देश में जो भी ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन का प्रैक्टिस होते हैं, सारे देश को इंटीग्रेट करने का, एजुकेशन रिसर्च के जरिए सारे प्रक्रिया को डेवलप करने का दायित्व अब हमारी हिंदुस्तान को ही लेना होगा। क्योंकि आज दुनिया के अंदर सबसे पहला अगर किसी ने इस विषय पर सिक्योरिटी पाने में सफलता प्राप्त की है वो हिंदुस्तान है। तो इसलिए आई थिंक दिस इज ए ग्रेटेस्ट मोमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, एवरी इंडियन and Indians who have been involved in the traditional system of medicine for centuries together, for thousands of years. This particular ancient system of medicine, this ancient science, now being well realized by the global community. And because of our credibility of production, manufacturing of our drugs, which has been now consumed by the large number of global population, and because of which our industry has been successful in creating more than $18.2 billion market. So मुझे लगता है कि ये हमारे लिए बड़े मौका है साबित करने का। दुनिया के मानव समाज अब हमारे देश के आदर्शवादी नेता प्रधानमंत्री जी को बड़े आग्रह से देखते हैं, बड़े श्रद्धापूर्वक प्रधानमंत्री जी के बात सुनते हैं। हर विषय पर जब भी हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी देशवासियों को, दुनिया के मानव समाज को संबोधन करते हैं तो बड़े श्रद्धापूर्वक बातों को सुनते हैं और सबको महसूस होने लगा है अब ये हमारी 21वीं शादी मुझे लगता है हिंदुस्तान की ही होंगी। और अगली अमृत कालखंड के अंदर by 2047 I believe India will take the leadership in most of the human activities, in most of area of our concern. And I believe this ability, this commitment, this courage, this wisdom, knowledge has been well exposed through our performance. So I believe this particular place, Goa, most beautifully designed by God. You are very lucky. All the people of Goa, you are very lucky to be an integral part of this particular place. And this natural landscape, so beautifully designed. And God has really blessed you. Now, it is your turn to play a very, very important role. How to promote Goa as the most attractive destination of the globe. In the sector of tourism, in the sector of, I believe, creating quality human resource for the better service to the mankind, and also, I believe, how to promote, because हमारे परम आदरणीय चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब खुद एक वैद्य है तो उसी बैकग्राउंड से उन्होंने अपने जीवन को बढ़िया से सजाया है। तो अब ये गोवा की चीफ मिनिस्टर बनने के बाद बड़े कुशल नेतृत्व दे रहे हैं। तो इसलिए मेरा ही अपेक्षा है कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो आग्रह की है कि ट्रेडिशनल और मॉडर्न दोनों को साथ जोड़कर हम मानव समाज की सेवा करें, जैसे प्रिवेंशन ऑफ डिजीज, प्रमोशन ऑफ हेल्थ, ये जो कॉमन एजेंडा हमारे लिए है, whether it is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare or Ministry of Ayush, we have the same goal for the prevention of disease and promotion of human health. If it is so, let us have the better integration. And I am really thankful to the Health Minister. He has already expressed his willingness under the dynamic leadership of Chief Minister. He is going to develop within a short span of time. And I believe if this particular integration takes place, then it would be a great service to the people of Goa. And also, as you know, medical travel tourism. Let's Goa become that particular spot in the globe. तो इसके लिए जो भी व्यवस्था आपको खड़ा करनी है, इस व्यवस्था को खड़ा करना होगा, क्योंकि ये कैसी शादी है, दिस इज एज ऑफ साइंस एंड एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी, इनोवेशन,